Hi mga Kamuto 101. For today's video, we will go to Sontes Martin Autobike Shop kasi umabot na sa 1,000 ang ating odometer. So we need to have our first maintenance check. Magpa-change oil tayo, pa-change tayo ng oil filter at saka check up na rin for the first time. So kasama natin si Mami Daisy Diary. We are heading to the shop in somewhere in Latkrabang. So yan, medyo matraffic na ngayon dito from Ikamay going to Latkrabang area. If you are not yet subscriber my channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Napaka-smooth patakbuhin ng ating Sontes 368G Enduro bike. Kahit may backride ka, maganda ang takbo niya mga ka-101. So, meron pala tayong warranty card together with our manual na binigay ng Sontes. May nakasaad doon na the first 1,000 kilometers, that's our first maintenance check. Kaya we are heading now to the shop para naman ma-check up yung ating mga motor. By the way, mga Kamoto 101, location pala natin this time is we are here in Thailand. Kaya ang ating mga kaibigan taga Thailand, most of the Sontes users are Thai people. So pupunta tayo ngayon sa shop. Hopefully we can finish it on time. So based on our GPS na nakabit sa ating mga motorbike, we have a 30 minutes journey going to the shop. So this is Latkrabang. Ayan, napaka-smooth pa rin ng ating bike. For those who are using the Sontes 368G, please don't forget to wear your safety gear, your helmet. You have your protective jacket, better to use it, and your shoes of course. Dito sa Thailand mga kaibigan, hindi masyadong stricto sila sa motorbike, but starting June 1, they will implement a strong implementation of wearing helmets kahit yung mga pasahero ninyo. Ayan, but good to see that most of the policemen here in Thailand, hindi nila masyadong ginigipit ang mga motorbike. Kahit mga car user, medyo palangga ang mga nagamotor dito sa Thailand. So hindi na natin compare kung saang bansa, but if you are using motorbike here in Thailand, medyo love ka ng mga gumagamit sa mga daan. So ayan, medyo i-fast forward natin yung ating video para naman hindi kayo mainip sa ating video. We are almost near the shop. Actually, we are traveling around 30 minutes. Yan. So kahit mga taxi at saka mga private cars dito sa Thailand, mga ka-101, mostly binibigyan nila ng daan ang mga motorbikes. Kaya kung minsan napapansin nyo sa ating mga video, ay nagpapagitna tayo, napupunta tayo sa mga fast lane, balik naman tayo sa middle lane at saka sa inner lane. Wala pong problema, basta safe lang po tayo kasi nagbibigay naman po ng daan ang ating mga kaibigang motorista, especially the cars that using also sa mga daan na binababay natin. So ayan, so enjoy lang while driving here in Thailand. Napakaganda ng daan sa Thailand mga ka-101. So far so good yung journey natin. Yan, that's on the way to Latkrabang area. So still we are with Mami Daisy Diary, and of course we are using our Insta360 X3. Naka-built-in po yan sa harap. Meron tayong bracket dyan, clamp, tilisin clamp, at ilagyan natin ng ating selfie stick na 2 meters, and that's it. Meron na tayong video. We are getting closer. This is the Martin Autobike Sontes Experience Shop. Nakarating na rin tayo sa ating shop for the first change oil ng ating Zontis 360G. I think hindi tayo mabot ng 1 month kasi tinakbo natin ito ng medyo may kalayuan. 1-day trip tayo ng ating last video. Again, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, DB June 101. And please like and share our video in DB June Moto 101 playlist. So yan, bumaba na si Mami Daisy. Nasa office area siya sa lobby while waiting for the mechanic. Ayan. Tanggal muna tayo ng helmet natin mga ka-101. Sinalubong tayo ng ating mechanic kung saan tayo magpapa-change oil. So sabi niya ikot lang muna daw sa kabilang side and doon daw ang shop sa likurang bahagi ng shop ang change oil po. Ito yung display center sa harap. Yung shop po ay nasa likurang bahagi. So turn off natin ang ating GPS and then we will go to the other side of the shop. Nasa back area po. Ayan, nagbibigay siya ng instruction. Yan po yung mekaniko. That's the mechanic, a very kind Thai mechanic here in Zontis Martin Auto Bike. Actually, we have 2 shops. Ang nasa kabilang side po ng daan yung isa. There are more on other brand ng bikes, GPX, Aerox and other brands po. Yan, ito yung other side niya. So andito na tayo ngayon sa likurang bahagi. Sabi ng mechanic medyo paangat ako ng I will be using your bike para paakyat doon sa ramp mga ka-101. So ayan yung shop, medyo mataas din, mga 3 feet yung taas ng ramp. So siya na yung nagpaakyat. Ayan. So let's start the change oil. Yan si Mami Daisy Diary, kinuha yung helmet natin. Okay, so that's it. The problem is nakalimutan natin yung free oil filter, but good that they provide the oil filter kahit nakalimutan natin yung isa na free nila upon getting our bikes. Mababait po ang mga tao dito. They are very kind. Itong 3 mekaniko, ayan. Yan yung nag-entertain sa atin. So far, sa review natin, maganda yung service ng Zontis Martin Auto Bikes. So, sinabi natin sa kanya na we are YouTuber. We need to take pictures sa kanilang gagawin. Mostly kasi pag nagpapa-change oil kayo, you need to stay in the lobby area, but we need to document this first. Change oil po ng ating Zontis 360G. Kaya we are taking video sa ating Zontis. So yan, tinanggal na nila yung oil filter. Ang Zontis pala mga ka-101, you need to take the oil filter, change new one, the first 1,000 first maintenance. So i-drain nila yung oil, tatanggalin yung oil filter, tapos yung sa engine oil din. At ito si Madam, kakausapin tayo ng Thai.
ใช้มันมีน้ำมันเครื่องเป็นน้ำมันเครื่องซอนเทสค่ะ
น้ำมันซุนเทสเท่าไหร่ครับ
ซอนเทส200 ขวดละ 240 ใช้ 2 ขวด
อะไรนะเป็นโมตุน
โมตุน
เท่าไหร่
โมตุน550 ค่ะ ขวดละ 550 ใช้ 2 ขวด
ดีกว่ายังไงครับ
โมตุนดีกว่า
โมตุน
โอเค
แล้วก็เฟืองท้าย2
Ayan, kumuha na si Kuya ng Motul Oil. 7,100 yung parang brand name niya or product name niya. So ayan si ate, dalawang ate dyan. They are very kind to assist you in any problem. Yan yung oil na kinuha ni Kuya. They have their lower price oil, the Zontis oil. That's about 240 baht. But we are using the motor that is 550 baht. Dalawa po yung gagamitin nila. 2 bottle. Parang 1 liter yata o 800 or 1 liter. Hindi ko sigurado yung dami ng oil. So ayan, naka-drain na. Ito yung gagamitin nila sa engine, mga Kamoto 101 motor. At ito naman yung oil para sa engine oil natin. So ito yung isa pala sa gear oil, sorry. Yung isa pala sa gear oil at itong isa ay para sa engine. So tinanggal nila yung oil filter, tapos papalitan ng bago. Tapos ibabalik yung drain plug, tapos lalagyan ng oil, yung new oil yung ating motorbike. Sa pagkuha mo ng dito sa Thailand, pagkuha mo ng new Zontis 368G, meron siyang mga freebies like the free oil filter. Pero sorry, nakalimutan natin yung atin, but they provided it. So they have the new oil filter. Kakabit nila sa ating motor. So ayan siya, kinabit na nga. So we are very happy now na they allow us to take video para naman sa ating mga Zontis 368G user. Nakita nila. Ayan yung drain para sa gear oil pala yan sa likod. Yung sa harap, medyo sa gitna ay sa engine oil. So dinrain nila. Parang dalawang tube ng parang toothpaste. Ang laki. So after draining, yung refill pala ng oil nasa kabilang side din. So after makabit yung oil filter, after the install the oil filter, the drain plug for engine and for the gear oil, then we will add now to tube of gear oil. Nakamotol din tayo mga ka-101. Okay? And also we are waiting for our license plate. So dyan sa kabilang side, dyan ilalagay yung engine oil. Dito naman sa kabila itong gear oil. So ayan, naka-Zontis plaka pa tayo. Hindi pa dumating yung ating registration and our license plate for our Zontis 368G. But sabi ni Madam kanina, madali lang daw. We already sent our documents. So hopefully meron na tayong license plate for our bike. Yan, nilagyan na ni Kuya yung motor oil. This is 10W40. Yan ang viscosity niya, mga ka-101. So this is, by the way, this is the first maintenance check after natin nakuha yung ating Zontis 368G. So far, for almost a month, nagamit natin yung ating 360G sa araw-araw at saka sa touring. May backride tayo o wala. So far, napakaganda yung performance niya. Hindi sasakit yung likod mo. Maganda yung handling. At mag-i-enjoy ka sa daan. Kasi built-in po yung 2 cameras, front and rear, and you can record your videos. So yan, ni-refill na ni Kuyang mekaniko. Sinusukat nila pala yung yung secondary refill kasi may number of liters yata na sinusundan nila. At yung step board na sa harap, natanggal ni Kuya. They are doing some check for the oil level. Diyan pala yan, chine-check yung oil level ng ating mga motor. Kasi usually yung ibang scooter dito sa gilid lang yung dipstick niya. But this time, they are checking something. Hindi ko alam kung that is for coolant or for the oil. So yun ang nasa harap na right step board. Sa harap, tinanggal nila. May chine-check sila dyan na liquid level. So ayan, malapit na tayong matapos. Nag-clean up na si Kuya. Sabi niya, we're done. Pero may kinuha tayo sa ating U-Box kasi may binili tayo from Taobao. That's the from China online shop. So ayan si ate nagdala ng resibo pero may pinakiusap tayo kina kuya na kung pwede ikabit itong ating rear axle cover. That is from online. Ayan, binigay natin kay kuya. Para, kasi yung sa likod, by the way mga ka-101, mga kamoto 101, yung rear axle para may cover siya na rubber. Mostly in the long run, syempre sa init at sa wear and tear niya, matatanggal siya. So meron silang accessories dyan. May maganda accessories dyan na cover. So iikot pag makabit yan siya mga ka-101, iikot yan siya together with the rear wheel. So ayan, tinanggal ni kuya yung nut ng rear axle. Tapos ikakabit na ni kuya. Napakagandang tinan. Maybe the next video mga Kamoto 101, I will show you the accessories that we install in our Zontes 368G. Kung ano yung nakakabit niya at paano natin mabibili yan online. So next video I will feature all the accessories that I install in my Zontes 368G. Katulad nung pula na nasa likod, nasa exhaust pipe niya, that's also an accessories coming from China. May sarili silang mga accessories design only for Zontes. Ang maganda mga Kamoto 101, all the accessories of Zontes may marking po na Zontes talaga. They have their own personalized accessories. So ayan, kinabit na ni kuya yung rear axle cover. Hindi lang yan, meron siyang pula na cover design para sa ating axle. Puna dito meron silang range na nagsusukat kung gaano kahigpit yung ating nut para sa axle. So hindi lang basta-bastang hinigpitan pero sinusukat nila using our range. So lastly, we installed the red cover. This is from Chikis. This is the accessories maker of Zontes motorcycle. We all know that most of the accessories in cars and in motorbikes is coming from China. Good thing this motorbike is coming from China, so they have all the accessories needed to beautify our bikes. Ayan, natapos na rin tayo kakabit ng ating rear axle cover. Tapos na rin, na-clean up na ni Kuyang Mekaniko ang ating motorbike. And that is the first maintenance check ng ating Zontes 368G. Ayan, nilubas na ni Kuya ang motorbike from the shop. Pababa sa ramp. Sulit yung nila guys, yung trabaho nila. Yan yung ating shirt pala. Featuring our shirt, Division Moto 101. Pag nakita niyo ako guys, if you see me anywhere, you can ask me for a sticker. Yan mga Kamoto 101, pagpasok natin sa shop, binigay sa atin yung ating registration plate, kasama yung ating sticker. Mabilis yung ginawa nila. This is Zontes Shop. Yan yung Facebook page nila. Okay, ayan. Hi mga ka-101, I got my license plate. Bilis ng processing from here in Martin Auto Bike. I got it for just, I think, 2 or 3 weeks. We have our license and our registration already. We are free to travel around Thailand. Thank you. So dahil tapos na tayo, going back home, riding our new Zontes 368G. Yan, kasama natin si Mami Daisy Diary. But before that, medyo mainit ang panahon, kaya daan muna tayo ng kunting refreshment. That is from Amazon. Relax muna, drink for a while, and this is our short Division Moto 101. Don't forget to subscribe and support our channel. Thank you. Until next time.